Hi, my name is JonPaul Alfano. As a sewist and leather crafter, I enjoy working with heavyweight fabrics. So I'm very excited to have the opportunity today to unbox a brand new Janome HD9 Professional. This is a heavy-duty, straight-stitch only sewing machine. This has all the ability of an industrial model, except it's 10 times lighter and portable. Today I will demo this machine sewing at full speed. I'll show how easily it could sew through leather and multiple layers of denim. I'll talk about the standard features of the machine, as well as the accessories that come along with it. So let's unbox this thing already. Okay, so I'm going to talk about some of the accessories that come along with this machine, and then I'll talk about the features of the machine. So the first thing we have here is a massive foot pedal. We have our power cord. We have a nice vinyl dust cover that you can place over the machine when it's not in use. Our knee lifter. We have our instruction manual and warranty information. We have our accessory box. In the accessory box we have screwdrivers, some thread bobbin spools, a cloth guide, and bobbins. These are massive bobbins. These are unique to this machine. They are 1.4 times larger than the standard or traditional Janome bobbin, and they hold up to 40% more thread. They're also all metal construction, and I'll talk more about those later. Okay, so now onto the machine. One of the features I like about this machine is that it has an independent bobbin winding motor. This will allow you to wind a bobbin while simultaneously sewing with the machine. This machine is also equipped with a fully adjustable presser foot. This has an adjustable pressure of up to 11 pounds. On the front of the machine, we have a heavyweight thread guide. This will allow you to maintain consistent thread tension while sewing through multiple layers of fabric. We also have a thread cutting feature in this machine. This is a straight stitch only sewing machine that's capable of sewing up to 1,600 stitches per minute and has a maximum stitch length of 6 millimeters. Now watch how easily this could sew through multiple layers of denim, leather, and even lighter materials like satin or sheen. I wanted to talk more about the bobbins. This is the standard or traditional Janome bobbin, and this is the bobbin for the HD9. As you can see, it's much bigger and all metal. This bobbin is 1.4 times larger and holds 40% more thread than the traditional bobbin. I'm so glad we finally got this machine out of the box. This machine gives you everything you need in an industrial sewing machine without sacrificing convenience or portability. So, exciting news! I'm going to be coming out with tutorials and tips and tricks videos using the HD9. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.